Man, if we're in a 9 inning game, I'd handicap us at, let's say, the top of the third right now. I think that we've just started to generate the types of data that are readily ingestible by the forms of compute and data science that I think will be most impactful to our understanding of biology and mechanistically how things are working. However, we have a long way to go. The systematic programming of biology, I would say, where we can then take those insights and, formulate, whether it be living therapies or develop, AI generated small molecules or proteins against them, embedding of logic into these types of things, how to manufacture them at scale and at a cost that's tenable to us as a public is another issue that we have to get to. And actually, the way that we see getting to, let's call it the next inning, to get to the fourth inning, we think that more and more of the insights are going to interestingly become like smaller and smaller in nature. So what I mean by that is we've studied sort of macrobiology, being regulatory networks and proteins, and then we've started to understand sort of how they interact. However, the actual interaction of molecules at the molecular level is still fairly unknown to us. So the oscillations of a protein, for example, or how different, charge sides of intracellular proteins interact with our membrane-bound proteins. And so more and more of our understanding of biology may actually start to come from physics, which is something that we think about a lot here at the firm. And so the continued generation of these sort of smaller nanoscale data sets and the tools and resolution in which we can generate those, I think are going to continue to push us forward. And then, as we talked about, the supply chain needs to keep up with the number of interesting therapeutic modalities that we can develop that really is only accelerating in time course right now.